Hello guys, welcome to my new video. So today we'll play untitled Goose game made by two houses. Right? So we'll begin. Wop. Beep. So let's play. I know. Just come here. Why? I need to go. Let me go. Right. Get into the garden. It's so easy. All I just need to do, beam. That's it. Done. Wait. Where am I? I'm near to the cabbage. Okay. Let me go. Okay. So what is next? Wet. I need to get that farmer wet. Where is that farmer? There is he. Please, sir. Please, sir. Bye. कीज ले लूँगा. कीज को हटा दी. ये देखो उसका ये था. स्टील द ग्राउंड कीपर्स कीज. अभी तो वो बचा एक लिस्ट. तो बस क्या करना ग्राउंड कीपर को वेट. उसको वहाँ दे दो. I will go to this ground keeper. I mean the farmer. Then the farmer. Come here, farmer. This is a new carrot. Just come. I'm a goose, okay? I'm a horrible goose. Just follow me. Okay, fine. He realized it. I think I just need to keep getting carrot here. I think I'll still get more time. I think so. Then I can do it. Then. What else? Rake in the lake. Okay, so I always saw that the rake is over there. Right, here's the rake. Wait a minute. I can take it from that secret route. It is small. Look at here. How small it is. So I need to take it from this. How did I can open this? Wait, yeah. I got it. I think when I do this flower, when the groundskeeper realized that here I have the flower, finally. Come out. I'm right here, standing. Just come. I'm right here. Yeah. Now I can do that rake thing. Well, too takes a lot of time. Things. No, the groundskeeper. The groundskeeper much faster getting. Wait. You wait. I'll take it next time. You think you can beat me? Why? You think you can beat me? I think so. Bye. No. I want to take it. Please, it's mine. Just give me. Just give me it. I need to. Just give me. Fine, I'll do the picnic then. Have a picnic. So after the picnic, I'll do the rake at the lake. First is jar. Right. So here is the picnic blanket. Then oh no, he might realize my picnic. Fast. Okay, fast. No. I need this thing back. Please give me. I'm a horrible goose. I want to lock it. No, the keys. No, I need to lock it as fast as I can. Bye. I locked you. Lock the groundskeeper out of the garden. Yep, this is to do as well. I think I can take this pumpkin if the groundskeeper doesn't see me. Now I go much faster. I'm swimming. Whee! Wait. This pumpkin is right here. And I don't know why do I need a pumpkin. But thank God that I think he didn't realize it. Okay. So let's see if the sandwich is done. Wait, the sandwich is not done. I think we need 2 of them. But now it's 2. We have also 2 apples. One in the garden, one on the bench. Basket time. It's a 2-player thing. The basket we can hold at both sides. Here and here. But this game is just a goose thing. That's all. I just flipped the jar upside down. Just let me go. I'm bringing your keys. I'll first take his keys and then the radio. I'm bringing it back to you. Here, groundskeeper. I'm a very nice goose. Okay. Hey! Whoa! Wait, where was the radio once? It's right here. Look at the radio lane. First, I need to take his keys again. I hide it. Let me get the keys. Find it. I'll make you bald. Because you're wearing a hat. Now running time. No. Now you are bald. Oh yeah. I did it. Just let me take the thermos. Okay. I'll take the thermos. The music is awesome. What? I forgot to lock it. Lock it time. He's going by. Okay, for the thermos. The radio and carrot is left. Now I got it. None of us can jump. Only the one boy. Once we like that radio is left. Let me come. I went up here. Oh. I take the radio. I take the radio once more. Bye, you haven't got your keys. Have a picnic, is it done? Right, no goose is allowed is there. You put a sign here and the hammer on top of that. The radio you're just thinking. Otherwise I'll take the rake then. If you don't listen to me. I'll mess around with your garden because I hate your garden. Bye. Your coffee is gone. Apple is gone. Right? Everything is gone. Your garden is finally messed up. See, I messed up all the carrots. How did you forget about that shovel? Fine, you can take the keys. Where is the keys here? That hat. Okay, fine. Here is your keys. The keys which you wanted. Now you can take it, the shovel. Just get to that sign already. I want you to get to that sign. Please get to that sign first. See if I go like this. Finally sign time. I just need to honk and then he'll just slam the hammer into his finger. Once you reach world 2, it will end. I think. The first try. Yay. Then I take a sun hat, he'll fall. Yay. He finally fell. Now to go on you. Again. Right. So we're here. We're going to world 2. So this is the end of the video. So make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. So bye everyone.